Think about how many of your engineering decisions are still trapped in files, emails, thread, and meeting note. Someone updates a schematic, someone else sends a slide deck, and a week later, nobody is completely sure which version tells the real story. Altium Develop replaces that gathered way of working with a peer powered network centered on your product. Instead of treating the project as a pile of documents, it treats it as a living system of decisions, designs, requirements, and feedback that everyone can accept. In a traditional flow, engineers save design files into repository, then export pieces of information to share with procurement or manufacturing. Each share creates a new copy, a new version, and another opportunity for confusion. Altium Develop keeps the product data in one place. It brings the people to that data rather than pushing data out to a dozen disconnected channels. Every collaboration from PCB designers to sourcing managers connect into this workflow. They see the product through the lens that matters to them, but they are all looking at the same underlying truth. When a change is made, the network update. When a comment is added, it stays with the team it refers to. This peer powered model also changes how teams experience meetings. Instead of gathering just to change basic status updates, people can come together with a shared understanding already in place. Altium Develop has been tracking progress, so it also tracked approvals and issues. As work happened, meetings can focus on decisions and trade offs. In a file based world, a problem might surface in a local document and take days to reach the right audience. In Altium Develop, raising an issue means attaching it directly to the relevant part of the product and tagging the people who can solve it. The delay between we notice something and the right people are working on it shrinks. For small and mid sized organizations, this is a game changer, especially important, and you often do not have the luxury of dedicated project coordinators. You need tools that support real collaboration without creating more work. Altium Develop is purpose built for that contact. It gives teams a powerful shared backbone without demanding complex configuration. Over time, the peer powered network becomes a knowledge pit. New team members can look back and see how decisions were made instead of digging through archive holders. They basically learn from a coherent history of the product, and because Altium Develop supports involving many collaborators, you can bring existing partners without breaking this model. They join the same network, contribute their expertise, and leave behind a clear record of what they recommend and why. With Altium Develop, you can move from chasing files to participating in a live collaborative environment where the right people are always connected to the right data.